Good afternoon. Time to wrap up CNFT's AM call for the Treasury note made at 6:45 a.m. on August the 28th. It is the last couple of days of summer and the market is absolutely dead. It was a 7-year auction today. Guessed that it would take place in the 26 area early in the session. Got off at 25. We traded from a low of 23 to 29.5. We had 6.530 seconds. That's not a lot of range to work with when you come in. In fact, the only way you can exploit that edge is with resting limit sell orders. So we came in this morning, wanted to buy 21s to 25s. The low was 23. And we wanted to sell 29s to 01s, and the high was 29.5. We came in as sellers first because we thought that they would run the market down a little bit to help move the 7-year paper. It was the day of a 7-year auction, and they did run the market down a little bit, and then they capped it. Didn't have a heck of a lot to work with today. The first trade set up here at 23, but our entry would have been right here at the mid-range, and it would not have worked out very well. So we waited for the sell to come up. Here was a high of 29. Then we had another high of 29.5. So you could have been shorted our recommended 29 on a limit sell, or when you broke that bar's low, you were short at 28. And the market did trade down to 23, so you got our expected 330 seconds. And if you traded it perfectly, you could have gotten 530 seconds. The market set up. We had a retest right here, this low of 23, so you were long at 24 or 25 when you took out that bar's high, and the market traded to 27. When you broke that bar's low, 25.5 would have taken you out on a sell stop for a half a tick. If you'd been smart enough to put 230 seconds out there, you could have made 2, leaning against the mean green line. So it was a very, very difficult trading, not a lot to work with. We had 2 trades today. That was it. On the low end, you made 3.5 30 seconds. If you traded perfectly, you could have made 7. So not much to work with today. We made $100+ on our 2 trades. Not a very big trading day when it was all said and done. Last day of the summer, 7-year auction. Not a lot of action. Everybody expects both the note and the E-mini to trade better and close higher tomorrow. So we'll see. We do this daily. You can track us on YouTube to see how well we do. The site is www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site, you'll get an overview of our trading software, our trading methodologies, and our educational programs. To further encourage you to come visit us and take a look at what we do, we offer you 5 free days of trading in our main trading room. We cover the bond, the 10-year note, the E-mini. Those are our major markets. We also cover gold, crude oil, and the euro currency. You'll learn a lot by visiting us for a week. Contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial offer.